everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, with inflation going up so fast and the prices of everything increasing, it just seems like daily, weekly, monthly, like it just never stops. I thought I would put together a list of 10 everyday simple things that we could cut out of our lives to save money fast. So ditch these 10 items and you will start saving immediately. A big one more recently is gym memberships. Gym memberships have gone through the roof. The cheaper places used to be around $20, $30 a month, maybe $40 a month. Now a lot of places are charging $150 to $200 a month. And if you're not using it constantly, you need to stop. I think it's fine if you're going at least 3 times a week and you find value in it, then you should go. I don't think you should stop doing that. But if you're not going, you need to stop spending money on gym memberships and then do workouts online. There's all kinds of little apps that are very inexpensive and there's tons of free stuff. If you cancel your gym memberships, especially the ones that cost $150 to $200 a year, that'll save you almost $2,400 a year. But name brand products. If you just opt for the kind of store brand, you're going to save $1 to $2 per item. And over a year, that adds up. You can easily save $300 to $500 a year. Stop buying coffee out. Every time you go get coffee out, it's a coffee and a scone or a muffin or something, you're probably spending about $8 to $10 easily. And if you're doing that 5 days a week, you're spending a lot of money on it. After about a year, if you stop doing that, you'll save about $1,000 to $1,300. Subscription services, we all have them, we all forget about them, and they are costing us a lot of money. These can be things that are being delivered through Amazon, they could be on your television, they could be movie channels. You can save anywhere from $10 to $30 per month, maybe even more, and that is $120 plus a year. I've talked about this one before. This next one, it just gets me. It's excessive beauty products. Now I'm talking about the kind that make all kinds of promises about how it's going to make you look younger. It's going to make you never have wrinkles and you're going to be beautiful and never age. None of that stuff works. The only stuff that really works, you need a cleanser, a moisturizer, sunblock, something with sunblock for your face, and then retinol stuff. That stuff works, but nothing else actually works. None of those products work. They don't deliver. They are very expensive, but they don't actually work, and it's a waste of money. So don't believe them. Don't believe them. They don't work. That will save you about $300 to $500 a year. Get a reusable water bottle. You're saving $1 to $2 every day, and if you're doing that every day, you're saving $365 to twice that every year. Avoid small impulse purchases. You can spend $5 to $10 a day, maybe $20 a day on these things when you're just out and about doing whatever. You don't even remember what you spent the money on. And if you stop, you'll save $200 to $500 per year. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Expensive cleaning products, just stop buying them. You don't need them. You could use some soap and some vinegar, a little bit of dish soap and some vinegar, shake it up in a bottle, and you could use that to clean almost everything in your house. You could potentially save $120 to $240 a year if you stop buying all the products. I know I've done this before. I have had several products and repeats, and even the storing of these products in my garage have been so many in the past. I'm like, why do I have all these things? It's going to take me a lifetime to use all of them. So really, you can narrow it down. Just get a couple things and you can clean everything with those things. Start doing meal prep at home. You need to spend some time and make your lunches at home and take it with you. If you're going out to lunch every single day, you're spending anywhere from $8 to $15, even $20 to go out to lunch every single day. And if you add that up over the course of a year, you will save somewhere between $2,000 and $4,000. That's a ton of money, so stop. Plus, the lunches that you make and take are probably going to be a lot more healthy than the stuff you're going to buy out. Stop using those random little weird ATMs in strange places. Those things have huge fees to use them. And if you're using them constantly, you're wasting a lot of money. So you need to plan a little bit better so you could use the ATM at your bank or just pay with a credit card. But those ATM fees at those little weird ATMs are very expensive. And if you're using them regularly, you're spending $3 to $5 per withdrawal. And if you do that a lot, you could save a couple $100 a year right there. Now, these are all rough estimates. They're just something to get you thinking. They're approximate amounts depending, obviously the numbers are going to go up or down depending on how much you use these things and how much money you waste on things. You have the potential here, if you stop doing these things, to save somewhere between $5,000 and $8,000 per year. If these are things that you do and you do all of them and you stop doing all of them, you can save $5,000 to $8,000 a year, just like that. Easy. If you've enjoyed this video and you think it's helped you at all, go check out this one next, and I'll see you over there.